Hello, myself Dr. Padmaja, consultant dermatologist at New Root Skin and Hair Clinic, Hyderabad. Today I'm here to discuss about skincare tips for women with sensitive skin in Telangana. Sensitive skin easily reacts to heat, pollutants and weather changes, all common in Telangana. So let us see some skincare tips to keep the skin healthy. Firstly, use a gentle cleanser twice a day. Choose sulfate-free, fragrance-free cleansers and avoid soaps and harsh foaming face washes to keep the skin healthy. Use regular moisturizer even in humid climates. Try to choose gel or water-based moisturizers in monsoon seasons and use a cream-based moisturizer for summer seasons. And sunscreen is non-negotiable. Try to use a broad spectrum SPF 30 plus sunscreen to keep your skin protected from sun UV exposure, which are very much suitable for sensitive skin. Keep yourself hydrated well. That means take 3 to 4 liters of water per day to keep yourself hydrated. And also take foods that are rich in vitamin C, omega-3 fatty acids and antioxidants. Next, avoid alcohol-based toners, scrubs and face washes. And also avoid active ingredients like retinol, AHAs and BHAs unless they are prescribed by a qualified doctor. Not all products are suitable for sensitive skin. So don't forget to patch test before you try any new product. By following all these tips which I have just mentioned, you can keep your skin healthy by avoiding any allergic reactions.